What's the deal, peeps? It's your boy back with another video. Today I want to help you guys become great and better freestylers like Juice WRLD. Before I get into the video, I want to ask that you guys please like, share, subscribe, comment, all that YouTube algorithm stuff to help the channel grow so we can continue to grow. Without any further ado, let's get into it. Number one is, when I listen and I watch Juice WRLD's freestyles, the number one thing that sticks out to me is the duration and how long he can freestyle, how long he can go, okay? Duration is a very important word when we think about our development as freestylers, okay? And we all know, yeah, it's going to take years to become as good as Juice WRLD, but a good way to track your progress daily, track your progress weekly to see if you're getting better, how good you're going, is be like, okay, I can freestyle for 20 seconds now. And then in a month, be able to freestyle for 30 seconds. And then in the 3 months, be able to freestyle for the length of a beat. You know what I'm saying? That way you push yourself. That way you see what bar you're setting. That way you're getting better. Not only that, the more and more you freestyle, there are going to be typical rhymes that you run across that you're going to say over and over again every time you freestyle. And it's nothing wrong with that, because each time you rhyme hot, not, spot, got, you're going to come up with better phrasing each time. Better phrasing because you're becoming a better rapper, a better freestyler overall. This is how you develop your skill, okay? Number two, I would say, is you have to freestyle 24/7. If there's a beat on, if there's a beat off, when you wake up in the morning, when you're in the shower, when you're on the toilet, when you're riding in the car with your friends and you're listening to some songs that you don't want to listen to and you freestyle. And I know y'all say, hey man, but when I freestyle in my head, it doesn't come out as good. Well, then whisper it. You have to actually say it and speak it, because freestyling in your head is not, once again, freestyling all the time, you're going to run across certain rhymes. You're going to have go-to rhymes that you're going to want to use. I can't tell you how many times I've rhymed the word perp and hurt in work and search. You know what I'm saying? But I know if I freestyle and we go against each other, I know when I get ready to fall off, I could jump to them 4 rhymes because I rhymed them so many times and I know go-to lines for that. You know what I'm saying? That's how these guys, these great freestylers, that's how they become great. That's really the secret to it, okay? I remember when I used to be going to the club with my friends, and I wasn't really a club dude. I'd be playing the back, but I'd be listening to the music, and I sure enough be freestyling. I'd be that guy, hey man, check out this hot freestyle. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? That was me, because I was trying to become a better freestyler, so I was always freestyling, okay? 3 quick tips is, reach for the simple rhymes, the hot spot, not gots, the nut, hut, but what's, the shoe, new, blue hue, the gum, fun, run, bun, bum. You know, because you can quickly jump to those. And then if you fall off, just jump to another one, versus thinking of complicated words, thinking of complicated, multi-syllable words. If you're not ready for that, don't do that. Number 2 is, don't worry so much about flow until you get really proficient with this freestyling thing. Once you get really good, then you can implement flow. But for now, the number 1 prime focus is finding rhymes, keeping the rhyme and going for longer and longer. Just keeping going nonstop. That should be your focus. Not a dope flow, not none of that stuff, because you're going to stumble over yourself. We do a lot of stuff freestyling and it winds up hurting us. It winds up making us stumble, like trying to find a flow or trying to think of like super complicated stuff or thinking about what everybody thinks. That stuff is going to make us stumble. All we need to be worrying about is the next line, the next flow, okay? Another thing is, keep it simple. Keep it simple. Don't think of some super deep things because you're trying to think of deep stuff. It's hard to think of deep stuff when you just writing. So of course it's going to be hard to think of deep stuff when you freestyling. So keep it simple. I'm better than you, all that you not worthy, you not messing with me, my crew tougher than you, my crew harder than you, I'm gonna shoot you up, guns, cars, money, jewelry, fancy stuff, expensive stuff, flexing, all that is par for the course for freestyling, because it's off of the top of the head and it gives you endless amounts of supply, things you can jump on and keep going. I hope this video was of value to you guys, man. If y'all need to holler at me, hit the IG, man. Show me coach at Instagram. I'll holler at you later. Peace.